Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, high of 74, low of 61, cloudy, 50% chance of rain. Today for breakfast, we have sausage biscuit, fruit, and juice. For lunch, we have hamburger, sweet peas, fries, juice, and fruit. Today's birthday is Lauren Packer. Happy birthday! Our announcements. Tutoring continues on Thursday. Please do not release students to their tutoring teacher until they were done with dismissal. Also, tutoring teachers. We had a special visitor in the building yesterday afternoon, Dr. Moore from Federal Programs, and she complimented us numerous times on how well our afternoon tutoring sessions were going, how organized everything was, and how there was great teaching going on. So thank you to all those tutoring teachers who were rocking it out yesterday afternoon. Bulletin boards. Make sure all bulletin boards have been updated for Black History Month. Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 27th through March 3rd. A flyer will be sent home with details about themed days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags of money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snack. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure that they take off outerwear that is not in compliance with our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office tray near Ms. Paz's area. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Classroom school environment. Take a look around your room space. If it looks unorganized, unclean, or cluttered, let's work together to get that corrected. If assistance is needed from our custodial staff, please let them know your specific needs. February Attendance Incentive. Here are our current standings for the February Attendance Incentive. In kindergarten, with our lowest number so far is Ms. Zimlick's class. First grade, Ms. Shaver's class. Second grade, Ms. Weaver's class. Third grade, we have a tie with Ms. Sunstall and Ms. Tarver's class. Fourth grade is a super close race. It could be anybody, but right now, Ms. Lankford's class is in the lead. And fifth grade, Ms. Arch. So, students, please make sure you are here on time each day. Try not to get early dismissals and try to be here each day that you can to earn that ice cream party. Important dates. We have the Kids Heart Challenge going on right now. Today, we have the ACAP practice shutdown for 2nd through 3rd, 8:30 to 9:30, and 4th and 5th, 10:15 to 11:15. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 13th, faculty meeting. February 16th, Michael Green Science Machine. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures. Also, we are celebrating Black History Month, and we are highlighting some very important African Americans. Emily Teakum on our research team did looked for some information about Martin Luther King Jr., and this is what she shared with us. Martin Luther King Jr. had a wife. Her name was Coretta Scott. Someone threw a bomb into his house. Martin had a dream. I have a dream that my 4 children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. And Martin Luther King is one of the most famous African Americans from the U.S., and he did a lot of really wonderful things to bring our country together. And we honor him every year in January and as well in February for Black History Month. All right, if you have a question of the day, feel free to send that in the question box that's located in the library. We are always working on those. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.